In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a meeting outcome in HubSpot step by step. Whether you're tracking sales calls, client check-ins, or internal meetings, setting the correct meeting outcome is essential for accurate reporting and pipeline visibility. By the end of this video, you'll know how to schedule a meeting and update its outcome properly inside HubSpot. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot guides just like this one. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to app-na2.hubspot.com and log into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your HubSpot home dashboard. This is your central control panel where you can access contacts, companies, deals, tasks, and activities. To add a meeting outcome, you'll need to open a contact record. From the top navigation menu, click on Contacts, then select Contacts again from the dropdown. This will bring up your contacts list view. From here, click on any contact name to open their record. You can use the search bar at the top if you want to find a specific contact quickly. Once you're inside the contact record, you'll see the activity timeline in the center of the screen. This is where all emails, calls, notes, tasks, and meetings are logged. To schedule a new meeting, click on the Meeting option in the Activity toolbar. A meeting scheduling panel will open. Here, enter the meeting details, including the title, date, time, duration, and any description or notes you'd like to include. Make sure all the required fields are filled out correctly. After entering the details, click on Schedule Meeting. This will log the meeting on the contact's timeline, and if your calendar is connected, it will also sync with your calendar. Now here's the important part, adding or updating the meeting outcome. Once the meeting has been scheduled or completed, go back to the contact's activity timeline. Find the meeting you just created. Click directly on the meeting activity to expand it if needed. Next, click on the Actions drop-down within that meeting activity. In the drop-down menu, you'll see the option to edit or change the meeting outcome. Click on it, and then choose the appropriate outcome from the list. Common outcomes might include scheduled, completed, no-show, rescheduled, or canceled, depending on how your HubSpot account is configured. Select the correct outcome that reflects what actually happened during or after the meeting. Once selected, save or confirm the change. The meeting outcome will now be updated on the activity timeline. This step is extremely important for sales tracking and reporting. Meeting outcomes help you measure performance, track engagement, and keep your CRM data accurate. If you're managing a sales team, accurate outcomes ensure your reports reflect real activity and help you forecast more effectively. And that's it. That's how you add and update a meeting outcome in HubSpot. As you can see, the process is straightforward once you know where to click. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials, CRM tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.